I'm Ross Naddock with Van Ahnen Company with your closing comments for February 2nd. Today was a pretty quiet day in grain trade. We came in this morning thinking we'd probably lead to a lower trade after yesterday's rally. Just didn't have a lot going on, but we were met with export sales in corn, beans, and wheat, which were all more supportive than what the market was anticipating, all within the higher end of the range anticipation. So corn ended up settling down about 3/4 cent in the March contract. March soybeans finished up 1/2 cent. The November contract actually finished up 6.5 cents higher, so that was the leader of the bean complex today. Chicago wheat, we finished up about 3/4 cent. Minneapolis wheat gained 5.25 cents for the March contract. And then Kansas City, we finished up 3 cents. So a very quiet day in the grain market again today. The outside markets didn't have a whole lot of influence on it either, with the dollar moving very little. Down to livestock here at this point, that was much more active as we've seen all week. The first half of the week we had a much lower market following those reports from USDA. But today we had a recovery. We just simply broke down too far. The market was oversold technically, and we left a gap on the chart as well, so we have something to go after on this recovery here. Cash sales yesterday at online auction were about $2 to $3 lower, 118, 119. And then today we picked up much more feeder cattle business going on today in the cash market, assuming that that's probably came in a little stronger than some were anticipating as well. But that all led to a little higher market. So we had live cattle finish up about $1.30. We had on the February contract, April contract finished up $1.77. In the feeders, we had April up 187. And in the hogs, they continued to gain momentum, up 92 cents in the February contract. Much of the day, the deferred contracts were down about 60 cents, however. They gained back at the end. April closed up 47. The deferred contracts passed that, up slightly. So that's where we got with the livestock markets at this point. The cutout values mixed in the livestock, mixed in the beef. So we'll come in tomorrow, see if we can fill that gap in the cattle, and then we'll see where we go from there. This has been Ross Naddock with Van Ahnen Company. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures and options trading involves risk, and loss is not suitable for all producers.